In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and today I would like to show you how you can use Keyboard Clipboard in SOLIA keyboard. Start by launching your keyboard and copying or cutting any text like you usually would. Now you can paste it instantly by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or to paste it using Clipboard, click on this icon at the top left corner of SOLIA. Then select Clipboard here, tap on your text, and to paste it, select Paste on the left. If you don't want to paste it, you can tap on Cancel here. Or if you want to delete anything from Clipboard, select Delete in the middle. To go back to your standard keyboard, use this icon at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!